In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass opt-in form review for Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub-account. This is important because forms are managed at the sub-account level, so if you are in the wrong workspace, you may not see the form you need to update. Taking a moment to confirm that first can save you time and avoid editing the wrong asset. Once you are in the right sub-account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Sites. This section is where Gohighlevel keeps tools related to pages, funnels, and forms, so it is the right place to go when you need to make changes to an opt-in form. After that, click on Forms. This will open your form library where you can manage all the forms connected to that sub-account. At this point, you have two options depending on your situation. You can create a brand new form if you want to start fresh, or you can edit an existing form if one has already been built and just needs adjustments for review. If you are creating a new form, simply begin building it from scratch in the form editor. If you already have a form in place, open that existing form so you can review and update it. This is usually the faster option if most of the structure is already there, and you only need to fine-tune a few pieces. Once the form is open, go to the top left corner and click the plus button. This is where you can add elements to the form. Depending on what the form currently includes, you may want to add more elements if needed, or you can simply edit the existing elements that are already on the page. As you work through the form, focus on making sure everything is clear, complete, and appropriate for submission. If an element already exists, review the wording carefully and update it where necessary. If something is missing, use the plus button to add it in. The goal here is to make the form polished and ready for review without overcomplicating it. That's the full process. You start in Gohighlevel, enter the correct sub-account, go to Sites, open Forms, then either create a new form or open an existing one. From there, use the plus button to add anything needed or edit what is already there. Follow that flow carefully, and you'll be in the right place to prepare your opt-in form for review.